Hi guys, sitting here just looking for some birds. Another vlog. A short vlog. I thought to make it. Not much of an activity, but like a very nice sort of a place. I'm just here, usually where I am. So sometimes it's always better to have something rather than nothing. So I just got today a white-tailed lapwing. Usually I get it very easily and commonly during such winters, but today what I found was a white-tailed lapwing plus blue throat, but at some distance. I was able to take some good pictures, and I also got the stone chats, which I earlier last week also got it. Not much birding, but a very nice evening, very nice tint to the sky, and this place is awesome. This is the same place I've been covering in my last vlogs as well, but a very cool, nice atmosphere today. So I just thought to make a small vlog. There's nothing much, but very peace and calm sort of environment over here. The water is increasing, the level of water is increasing slowly as the winter is approaching. There might be rains in future, what I've heard. I don't know, I'm not sure, but if it rains, that's better. More insects, more bird, more water. So that's how it works. So it is getting very dark here actually. So the iPhone is still adjusting, but actually it's quite dark here, and usually I'm not here usually at this time over here. So planning to leave because of the dark. Otherwise it's such a lovely, calm sort of atmosphere that I don't want to go. So sometimes it's good to be here rather than if you find any bird or not of your like type of kind. It's awesome to be here just to spend some time at such places and nature. So I'll just be leaving now. The good thing is that it's cold, and the best thing is that there is no heavy wind, so that does not allow you to stay here for such a long time. So it's cold, it's nice, so I'm feeling nice. That's why I don't want to go. If it was strong wind over here, that would be bad, and I will not be spending such much time over here. So I'm planning to now go, and that was good. I will be coming here again. I'm after some birds like blue throat and stone chat, so probably I will be visiting soon. So see you guys. A very short vlog. Take care.